Hello, and welcome to Pinhole Press. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color in our board books. I'll be working in our custom board book of names and faces, but you can do these same changes in all of our board books. You'll start off in the designer. Select the page that you want to change and click on Layouts in the top left corner of your screen. From here, you'll be able to scroll through all of the layout options and choose a new color. Once you've found one that you like, simply drag and drop it over to the main viewing area to replace the current page. After you've done that, click on Pages at the top left of your screen to take you back to the main designer screen. When you drag over a new layout, you'll notice that the photo stayed on the page, but the text changed to the default text. So be sure to go back and update that. Once you've made all of your changes, be sure to hit Save Product and give the whole book one final review before adding it to your cart.